Yeah.
Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is my first speaking video and on my YouTube channel and Facebook page, and I am in the field here. And you look at that, there are a lot of people beside me. The some are chill child, and there is one my uncle. I call him.
Hello guys.
Yes, his name is
Assalamualaikum.
Papi. I call him brother. So I want to talk these children. So brother, what's your name? What's your name?
Alamin.
Oh, very well. Are you student?
Yes.
Yes. So why have you come to this platform? Why have you come to the field? Maybe to catch fish, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Hey man, look at me. What's your name? What's your name? Oh, very nice. So have you come here to catch fish?
Yes.
Oh, very well. So look at that, guys. They are catching the fish in the mud, in a mud situation, and most of the child are with his mud on their body. And look at that. I don't know how many fish he's gathered or maybe catch. Oh, look at that. Where is the fish? Look at that, guys. There's a fish. Oh, very nice. Most of the very little, and size is very low maybe. So guys, have you seen this child? I want to teach them in English. Yes, I want to teach them in English. I think they are very eager to learn English, absolutely, and he is also eager. So which class do you study?
6.
Oh, very well. I think so. Didn't you go to madrasa today?
Yes.
Today is off day, your madrasa?
Yes.
Oh, very well. So when have you come to this field to catch fish? In the morning?
Yes.
Oh, hey, look at me. What's your name?
My name is Tuhin.
Oh, which class do you study? Which class do you study?
6.
I am class 6.
Oh, you're the best friend?
Yes.
Oh, both are live in orphanage.
Yes.
Oh, it's very nice. So guys, have you seen the people have come here? Most of them are students to catch fish. I think from this video you have learned how to start the conversation in this situation. So thank you so much and waiting for my next video.